2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, voice-activated navigation system, fog lights, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, power windows, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm. Your new ride is just a phone call away.